The Nike Air Max Plus continues to hold its place as a reliable lifestyle favorite, even as models like the Air Max 95 and Air Max 1000 receive more spotlight. Known for its consistent popularity, the silhouette is set to stay relevant with upcoming collaborations planned for 2026, alongside strong general releases that fans have come to expect over the years. One standout entry in this lineup is the Nike Air Max Plus in Black University Gold and University Red. This colorway takes a different direction from the usual tropical look of the model. It features a clean all-black base paired with a bold gradient effect that transitions from deep red to bright yellow across the iconic TPU waves. The design is completed with a split outsole shank that adds visual contrast and energy. For those interested, this release is expected to arrive through Nike's official channels in spring 2026 with a retail price of $185.